Meteorologist Lauren Casey here. We are going to take a step back for a minute and talk about this wild weather we saw earlier in the week.
Yeah, remember on Tuesday, all the rain, lightning swept in during the evening hours, soaked everybody?
Sure do.
Yep. That same system produced 14 tornadoes across portions of Pennsylvania. So talking about something that really isn't October-like, yeah. Tornadoes, not really what you think of, right, Joe?
No.
Yeah, not so much.
In October, no less?
In October, yes. 14 across the state of Pennsylvania on Tuesday, now confirmed by National Weather Service surveys across the state. And not only that, 4 of these EF2 tornadoes, strong tornadoes with winds of 120 miles per hour. On average, we see 0 tornadoes across the entire state of Pennsylvania during the entire month of October. So to have 14 in one day is just incredible. This another signal of climate change, where we're seeing this expansion of our traditional tornado season, where we're seeing these occurrences now of tornadoes in months that are not typical, like October, like November, like February, and like March. So unfortunately, this trend is likely only going to increase. Also checking in on the tropics, we have activity going on there. Newly formed tropical storm Michael right now positioned just south of the Yucatan Channel, winds at around 60 miles per hour. So a strong tropical storm. Forecast strengthening as it moves up into the Gulf of Mexico. At this point, forecast models in agreement that it will make a landfall along the U.S. coastline, Gulf Coast, as we head into midweek, likely as a Category 2 hurricane and then quickly weakening to a Category 1 hurricane. But impacts could be significant locally in these areas, potentially. Bullseye right now in the cone of uncertainty, the Florida Panhandle, and then that system will continue to eject off to the north and east when we could deal with the remnants of this system, meaning a lot of moisture, tropical moisture, as we head into Thursday. So that could provide us with a heavy rain threat. But for right now, getting a live look at Center City, Philadelphia, closing out the weekend. Nice and quiet right there. Logan Square, fountain still going. All is quiet and pretty mild. Storm Scan 3 showing us just a couple of teeny tiny showers trying to cruise their way into Berks County. Otherwise, we were dealing with that mostly clear sky that overtook the area late in the day, and temperatures that are very stable. 71 degrees right now in Philadelphia, 72 in Allentown. We're at 73 degrees in Atlantic City. Overnight lows will not dip too far because the current air temperature cannot fall below the dew point temperature, and they are elevated. It is muggy out there with dew points near that 70-degree mark, dealing with near oppressive humidity right now, as was the case all throughout the day. As we head into the day tomorrow, east wind kicks back up, so our humidity levels take a little bit of a step back, but it still will be muggy. But yeah, our old east wind, our friend, it's back tomorrow. That marine air mass, so get ready for cooler, damp conditions. Clouds are going to be looming around the areas of fog, the areas of drizzle, maybe even a few spotty light showers. So good rain jacket day. Might not need the whole umbrella, but be prepared for that as we deal with this east wind that kicks up again tomorrow for our Columbus Day. But overnight tonight, fog develops across the area, increasing clouds, low temperature only falling back to 68 degrees. And then today, tomorrow, still above average, 76 degrees, cloudy with periods of drizzle and a few light showers. Sunshine returns as we lose that east wind on Tuesday. Summer-like conditions with a high temperature at 82 by Wednesday, running 15 degrees above average. Sunshine 84 degrees. And then keeping an eye on Thursday night, and maybe even Friday for that potential of some tropical moisture and heavy rain before much more fall-like and October-y conditions take over as we head into next weekend.